What's going on, guys? It is Jake with ThunderMax here. We are going to be doing a ThunderMax install on a brand new 2025 Softail. Guys, the application for these 25 Softails is different than the previous models. This is going to be a 309/606 ECM. And guys, this ECM is behind or in front of the rear tire. So you're going to want to refer to your service manual on removing that rear tire, and then we'll get started. All right, guys, Seth has got the rear tire removed off this 2025 Softail. And guys, I want to take a second to talk about the ECM for these. This is a 309/606. If you notice here, it's got these stanchions or standoffs here. Those are actually going to replace the ECM caddy. So when you snap it in there, it's going to give you a nice, stock, snug fit. All right, guys, so Seth is going to tighten up the wideband O2 sensors here in this head pipe on this bike. Guys, stock, your bike is going to have the 12mm narrowband ports in the head pipe, but we have a D&D on this one, so it's got the 18mm widebands. After he gets those all snugged up, we're gonna go ahead and run our O2 wire, and then we're gonna move back to the ECM and finish buttoning it all up. All right, guys, so if you notice, the ECM from the factory is installed in here with the back kind of facing the rear tire. So that means to link to this ECM, it's on the front here. So all of the 2025 Softails are going to come with a 90-degree mini USB linking cable. And we recommend that you put a little dielectric grease on there, stick it into the link port, and then go ahead and run it up and leave that cable underneath your seat. That way, in case you ever want to retune the bike, check anything, you don't have to remove that rear tire. So there you have it, guys, the install on a 2025 Softail. Guys, this is an ST, but keep in mind, installation is going to be the same on any of the 2025 and up Softail models. Part number 309/606. Contact your local dealer and get you one on order.